Little far from home, aren't you? Garden snail.
Hey, I think we got a crier here.
Let's do this.
I got this one. Oh, I got this one.
Yeah. Come on.
Just a little snail.
Oh, where has he gone?
He's hiding in his shell.
Is that where he lives?
Yes, it's his house. Look, he's coming out again.
Hello, Mr. Snail.
Oh, I tell you, Gary, there is nothing better on a sunny day than a brisk walk. What's the matter, pal? Walking too fast for you? Huh? What is it, boy? Is someone in danger? Aw, come here, little fella. I won't hurt ya. Aw, I'm gonna call you Senor Poopus.
Thank you for watching.